All right, 99 Ranger driver's side oxygen sensor. I think you could kind of see it right there. That's the new one it's in. What I did was I removed that automatic shift cable so I could get my hand up in there. I heated the bung red hot with a propane plumber's torch. It was basically a Coleman camper fuel with benzomatic tip. Yeah, something you would solder pipes with in the house. Heated the bung up. It was just starting to glow red a little bit. Not real. It's not going to get red like an acetylene torch, but just heat it up where you know it's hot. Go in through the wheel well, break it loose. Then I came down here. That shift cable was out of the way, and I got up in there with a 7/8 wrench. Got it out the rest of the way. Then I stuck my hand up and turned it out. Then I stuck my hand up in through here and put the new one in. And now I got to plug the wires in up behind the left front valve cover and then reattach the rubber splash guard. So yeah, 99 Ranger, driver's side, oxygen sensor. That's the way I went after it. I don't see any other way to get it. You're going to be coming through the wheel well and moving this automatic shift cable. All right, hope this helps.